Hey Gemini, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I really want to improve my English speaking skills. Do you have any idea and tips?
How about we try having a short conversation about your day?
Yes, I want to converse with you.
Great. What did you get up to today?
I am a beginner student and I want to improve my English. Please tell me how can I improve my English?
That's great that you're working on your English. Besides our conversations, you could try watching English movies or shows with subtitles, reading English books or articles, or even finding a language exchange partner to practice with. Would you like some more specific tips, or would you like to continue our conversation?
I hear speaking comes by speaking. I want to speak with someone, but I don't have any friend. Whom should I speak?
I can be your conversation partner. We can discuss your day, your interests, or anything else you'd like to talk about. How does that sound?
If I want to improve my English, so what are the basic necessary things should I do?
You should try to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible.
I have started learning English with Khurshid sir. He is a good English teacher. What do you think? Should I continue it?
That's fantastic. If you feel you're learning and enjoying the classes, then absolutely continue. Regular practice is key to improving your English skills. Perhaps you could even practice what you've learned in class with me.
I also watch short English conversation classes so that I can improve my English. Is it better?
Yes, that's a great idea. Watching short English conversation classes will definitely help you improve. You'll get to hear natural, everyday English being spoken, which is really important. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. Inshallah ta'ala, I will talk to you again.
You're very welcome. I enjoyed our conversation, and I'm here to help whenever you're ready to practice again.